Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial video, I'm going to guide you how you can create Yahoo Mail account. For that, you need to open any web browser. For now, I'm opening the Chrome browser. Here on the top, you can see the search bar. Just click on it and search yahoo.com and press enter in your keyboard. Then on the interface, you can see the sign in option on the top right corner. Just click on it. Then this page will be open. Since you haven't created any account, you just need to click on create account. Here you can see, just click on it. Once you click on it, this page will be open. You need to fill up your credential here. First, you need to enter your full name, new Yahoo email, passport, date of birth, and click on continue. And after you click on the continue, then your Yahoo Mail account will be created. This was it, guys. If you find this video useful, then don't forget to give a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe it for more tutorial videos. Thank you.